All right, so here we are. We're getting in the pool. And right behind me is the Bubot 500p. You follows me? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna grabulate it, bring it right in here, just like that. And then I'm gonna sink it. Make sure this top's in. I'm gonna get it underwater, just like that. And then I'm gonna come to this switch on top. See that switch? I'm gonna turn it all the way to the left. And now this bad boy is just about ready to take off. Ready, set, go. There she goes. It takes it a while, but it definitely kicks in. And we'll just let that bad boy do its thing and clean the bottom of our pool. It does a pretty good job. It's very light. It doesn't crawl the walls, but you know what? Still a pretty damn good machine for the price. So if you're looking for something to do the bottom of the pool, check it out. Here we go. Now we're going to go into the water. All right, so there's the Bubot. It's on the bottom of the pool. I'm filming it with a shell box and an iPhone Pro Max 13. And you can see it doesn't crawl up the walls, but it does do a good job on cleaning the very bottom of the pool. And it'll be in there for about 2.5 hours. The thing really runs a long time. So I've got to say, this little robot, for the price, does a pretty darn good job. And if you want one, I'm going to put the link in the details. Right, so I've got to retrieve it. It stopped. It's been about 2 hours. So let's go under and get it. So anyway, we're just going to carry it over here. Could use the hook if I wanted to. First, I'm going to turn it off, right? I'm going to turn it off by switching this all the way this way. Then I'm going to lift it up, and it has a lot of water in it, so you're going to see it pour out. You follow me? That makes it a little bit lighter. Then we can put it right up here. Yeah, I'm done. And that's it. We just cleaned the whole pool bottom, and it looks fantastic, I must say. Peace out.